Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Begin by choosing the custom shape tool to design a modern abstract layout. Pick a bold geometric shape to serve as the anchor element. Drag it large onto the canvas to establish visual hierarchy. Rotate it slightly to break symmetry and add interest. Then duplicate this shape for background layering. Move the duplicate behind and soften its opacity. Add a gradient fill to the front shape for a polished look. Also apply a stroke to define its structure better. Align both shapes to keep the layout consistent. Add a subtle glow for a stylish modern touch. Use blending modes to blend the layers smoothly. Adjust their position until they visually support each other. Add very soft shadows to separate the